Hello, and welcome to the Arkansas Nurse Portal video. In this video, we will cover how to create an account using the Arkansas Nurse Portal and how new examination applicants can submit a licensure exam application. It is important to note that the Nurse Portal system works best on a desktop computer. Mobile devices such as cell phones and tablets are not supported. The first step in the process is to create a Nurse Portal account. The Nurse Portal link can be found on the Arkansas State Board of Nursing homepage. Click on the Nurse Portal link. You will then be directed to the Arkansas Nurse Portal login page. The login page allows applicants to create an account, resend a verification email, and sign in. Let's get started by creating an account. This screen highlights the terms and conditions for applicants. Be sure to read this screen thoroughly and then click I agree to continue. If you already have an existing license with the Arkansas State Board of Nursing, you will select yes and continue. Or, if you are completely new, you will select no and click continue. For this demonstration, the applicant is completely new to the board, so we will select no and click continue. Next, you must provide a valid email twice for confirmation, then complete the CAPTCHA security check and click continue. The system will send a confirmation email to you and requires that you verify your email address. It is important to note that you must access the confirmation email and click on the registration link within 24 hours. Otherwise, you will need to restart the process. If your email is not showing in your inbox, please be sure to check your spam folder. Once you verify your email, you are taken back to the Arkansas Nurse Portal to complete the Create Account process. Here, you will fill out your personal information, such as name, date of birth, and social security number. You will also be required to create a password. Another CAPTCHA security check will also be required here. Then, you can click Create an Account to complete the account registration process. A Nurse Portal account has been created. We will cover how to submit an RN Initial by Examination application. Once you have created a Nurse Portal account, you will log in using the email and password you've created. You should see a screen that has your information in the top left-hand corner. To the right, there are 3 boxes. The first box is titled Your Licenses with Arkansas. Click on Apply for License to review a list of applications that are available. On the next screen, choose the appropriate application for the license that you're seeking. For the purposes of this demonstration, the applicant is going to be an RN examination applicant. Here are the application instructions. The instructions are very important to read. The instructions inform you of what to expect in the license application, as well as what must be provided in order for the application to be considered complete. The instructions can also be located throughout the application by clicking the View Instructions link located at the top left of the application, just above the section titles. Click Next to start completing the application. The first part of the application is the License Application Type section. The License Application Type section displays the license type and application type for you to be aware of the application that you've selected to complete. You may also request a temporary permit by clicking the box next to Check Box if you are requesting a temporary permit, additional $30. Click Save and continue to proceed. Next is a general information section where you may submit a name change request, provide your marital status, maiden name, or other names used, as well as provide workforce information pertaining to your gender, race, and languages in which you are proficient. Next, you are asked to declare your primary state of residence. The primary state of residence is where you vote, pay federal taxes, and/or obtain a driver's license. Under the primary state of residence declaration is the primary state of residence address. If the mailing address is different than the primary state of residence address, deselect the box next to This is my mailing address and enter your mailing address below. If your address has changed, you can click on the Change Address link to provide a new address, or if it's still current, click Save and Continue to proceed. Next is the Education History section. You are asked to provide your nursing program information, such as the state where you completed your program, the program type, and the program name and program code, along with the education status and degree obtained. Click on Save and Continue to proceed to the next section. The next section is the NCLEX information section. Here you can review information regarding Pearson-VUE registration for the NCLEX, request special accommodations, and view prior NCLEX testing. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will be selecting No. Click Save and Continue to proceed. This is the last section of the application, the Eligibility Questions section. You are asked to provide information regarding background history along with licensing-related questions. Certain yes responses will require you to provide an explanation in the box provided and allow an option to upload associated documents. Once you are ready to proceed to the next section, click Save and Continue. This is the Preview and Submit License Application section. You can review information that you provided and edit before submitting the application. Once you are finished reviewing, please select the checkbox to affirm that you have read and understand the terms and conditions and that you have personally completed this application and it is true and correct to the best of your knowledge. Next, you will click Make a Payment to pay and submit your application. Here you will see a screen explaining that you are being directed to pay on a different site. Click on OK to proceed to the payment gateway. Once you enter your payment information, you will be presented with a confirmation page. Click Submit Payment. You will also receive a confirmation email that your application has been submitted. If the board has any question or needs any additional information from you, you will be contacted within the Nurse Portal account that you created at the beginning of this video. You are also able to check the status of your application from the Nurse Portal dashboard. You are able to check the status of your application from the Nurse Portal dashboard. You should see the screen that has your information in the top left-hand corner. To the right of this are 3 boxes. The second box is titled Submitted License Applications. You will see the application or applications that you have submitted. Click the View Status link when you want to check the status of your application. This concludes the Nurse Portal demonstration on how to create a Nurse Portal account and submit a licensure exam application using the Arkansas Nurse Portal.